Moisturize my face using e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream, hemp deprived cannabis sativa. I just bought this recently. I think it's $12. It's been working really well for me. Like, my skin feels pretty smooth, and it's not like one of those lotion or like face cream where it like produces a weird feel on your face. I think it feels pretty good. I mean, like, based on the week that I've been using it, I use it at night and before I do my makeup to prevent any like dry skin. I'm going to use both the Mini Breaker and the Modern Renaissance. This red, I'm going to apply it corner of my eyes. I go in with go with raw Cena. Same brush. I'm just gonna apply in the corner of my eyes. I'm gonna grab this purple shade right here, and we're gonna apply it in the inner corner of our, or the outer corner again. I have hooded lids, so I call it like my hidden layer. Hooded lids just basically means that you have extra skin that folds on top of your extra skin folding on top of each other. 2 fingers, I'm going to take oral. I'm going to apply this in the mid ball of my eye. Go in with tempera. You can choose to do this if you like. I want to do it just because I think it'll be really pretty. And just make a tiny wing. First, I'm gonna spray my face. My phone was acting up. I had to put it in a charger. Going with the color corrector, I'm using NYX. And I'm going to conceal all of this. This is when it's crazy, but don't worry, you guys, I will blend that shit out. Like, that's no problem. Then with a contour stick, I'm gonna use Revolution Makeup Forever to set my face. I'm gonna let that set for a tiny bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put on white eyeliner. Try not to tuck on your eyes too much. Going in with dark MAC in shade AC8. With a thinner brush. I got this at Michael's, or Joann's, one or the other, or from an art like aisle. This is an art brush. It's not a makeup brush, but because it's so thin, it makes like my brows look sharp. I'm back with mascara. You just want to flick the front so your hair will show. Now you can kind of dust off your excess. Going in with NYX bronzer. And whatever you have left, push it to be thinner and then just run it down your nose. Then going with Milani blush in shade 1, Dolce Pink, Dolce. Another fluffy brush. Dip it in my translucent powder. And I'm gonna go in where the harsh edges are. An angular brush. I bought this today at Sephora. Like, okay, watch. Dude. Just take the beats. And then right here, you can overlap it with your highlighter, so then it doesn't look as harsh. You can also put it on. I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm gonna put it right here with this angular brush again. Bite me. I'm gonna put it just right below. Be careful when you put on eyelashes, because most of the time you have too much product in your eyes for your glue to stick. So just blow on it, blow upwards as it dries. A dramatic eye like this, I would just do a nude gloss. I'm gonna use Fendi. Just take the beats. It doesn't help.